Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you something really cool. Building a complete web application without writing a single line of code yourself. I actually used it to code web applications about 6 years ago, but honestly I don't remember much anymore. So I thought, why not try building something using AI? That's when I discovered Cursor. Now let me be honest, if you want to build really complex high-end applications, you'll still need some coding knowledge or at least understand how things work. But for smaller projects, you can absolutely do it without any coding experience. And I'm going to show you exactly how. First, I asked AI to create a complete to-do list application with a sign-up page to create an account, a login page to access the app, a main page where I can add new tasks, edit them and delete them, the ability to mark tasks as done, an option to reorder tasks by dragging them. And the coolest part, a separate to-do list for each day so I can navigate between different days and see what I completed. Here is how it looks. This is the sign-in page. Let me go to the sign-up page and try creating an account. I already have an existing account, so let me try entering the same details to see what happens. Nice! It shows username or email already exists. That's exactly what we want. Now let me create a new account with different details. And it worked. I'm logged in. Let me log out and try logging in back with wrong credentials. Perfect. It shows invalid credentials. Now with the correct password, and we are in. I really like how the design turned out. It looks clean and professional, exactly what I was expecting. Let me add some tasks. Okay, I noticed one small issue. Whenever I add a task, it doesn't show up immediately. I have to reload the page once to see it. But honestly, for a first project, I thought it's okay to leave it like that. As I mentioned, I can move between different days and add tasks for any day I want. I can go back and forth to see what I completed on previous days. I can edit any task by clicking on it. I can delete tasks and I can check them off once they are done. I can also drag and drop to change the order of tasks. And here is something cool. I didn't even ask for this progress bar, but AI added it automatically. I actually really like this detail. Overall, it looks exactly how I wanted it to. I kept it simple since this is my first web application using Cursor. I didn't add email verification or complex password requirements, just the basic features to see how it works. Now let me recreate this exactly and show you how I built it. Before we start, you'll need to install two things. One is Cursor, second one is Node.js. That's it. I didn't need anything else. Let me show you how to install them. Open your browser and search for Cursor download for Windows. Or if you have a Mac, search for Cursor download for Mac. Click on the first link and hit download. The installation is super simple, just the basic next finish process. You don't need to change any advanced settings. Now do the same for Node.js. Search Node.js download for Windows. Click the first link, download it and run the installer. Again, follow the basic installation steps. Once you have installed everything, open Cursor. You will see a blank screen. First, we need to create a folder for our project. Click on File, then Open Folder. Create a new folder, name your project and select it. Now let me explain what you're seeing. The main thing you'll notice is this chat box. This is the AI assistant. You just type what you want to build here and it generates all the code files for you. Let me show you the exact prompt I used to build the previous project. I'm going to paste it as it is here. That's it. Now just hit enter and wait for it to create all the code files. Now I want to be honest with you. While I'm doing my first project, everything didn't go super smoothly. I got some backend connection errors at the beginning. It took me around half an hour to get everything working. But here is the thing, I didn't actually fix anything myself. Whenever I got an error, I just copied it and pasted it back into the AI chart. The AI told me exactly what commands to run, and after few tries, everything got sorted out. This is totally normal for your first project, especially if you're setting up the backend connection for the first time. But once that's done, your second project will be so much faster. Alright, the files are ready. You can see it created all the code files. If you know coding, you can click review and check if anything needs changes. But I'm just going with the keep all. Now to run this, go to terminal and click new terminal. The AI will give you commands to run. Just copy them one by one and paste them here. Sometimes it might ask you to navigate to a specific directory first. Just read what it says and follow along. If you have any doubts, you can always ask AI on how to run it, where to paste the code. It will tell you exactly how to do it. Let me paste the first command. And now the second command to actually run the application. Usually it will automatically open in your browser. Let me create an account. Oh, it's interesting. This time it even added a confirm password field that I didn't ask for. Nice touch. Account created and I'm logged in. I actually like this color scheme better than my first version. But in terms of the tabs and buttons, I like my previous version better. But let me test if everything works. I can add tasks, edit them, delete them. Oh nice, this time the task shows up immediately without reloading. That's better. Wait, but I can't check off the completed tasks and I can't reorder them by dragging. No problem. Whenever something isn't working, you can just tell the AI and it will fix it for you. Let me ask AI. See, it's making the changes. Now let me test. Yes, I can check off tasks now, but dragging still isn't working. Okay, let me keep all the changes as at least the checking is working. Let me ask it again to fix the drag and drop. It is asking me to install some new dependencies in the client folder. Okay, let me run those commands. Sometimes it won't auto reload, so I'll just click the link manually. Let me test again. I can check tasks, and yes, now I can drag and reorder them too. Let me quickly test the login page with wrong credentials. Perfect, it shows an error. Now with the correct password, and we are in. Everything works exactly as I wanted. So that's it. This is how you can build your first web application in under 20 minutes with zero coding knowledge. I think Cursor is an amazing tool for developers who want to speed up their work and for people who don't know any coding but still want to build cool projects. But like I said, if you want to create really complex high-end applications, you'll probably still need to learn coding basics to understand what's happening behind the scenes. Alright, that's it for today. Please let me know in comments, was this tutorial helpful? This is my first video, so I really want your feedback on how I explain things and what I can improve. Also drop any suggestions you have. What would you like to see next? In my next video, I'm planning to try a more advanced project using Cursor to see how far we can actually go without any coding knowledge. So stay tuned for that. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.